Good day, Bicolanda. We are back again here at the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium for the third week of the second round of eliminations. We have here the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith and of course the Mariners Blue Dolphins in the Juniors Division battling in the third week of the second round elimination. We are live here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Live na live rin po tayo via One Media, TV48 Naga, Bucal Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Tutok lamang for more actions this Saturday dahil we will continue to give you top-tier basketball actions only here on One Media, TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon. I am Jasper Abante and makakasama natin ngayon LA Lapid dito sa bakbakan ng Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith and of course the Mariners Blue Dolphins. All right.
And right now, we have the Daraga National High School who is 6-1 in the standings of Division 2 while the Mariners Blue Dolphins, they gained their two wins against the Pasakawa Academy White Tigers. And with that, they are currently in the 5th seed while the Daraga National High School is currently at number 1 seed with 6-1 while the Mariners Blue Dolphins is 2-5 in our Division 2 bracketing. And this time, we'll know if the Daraga National High School will keep that streak alive with a one-game winning streak, as same as with the Mariners Blue Dolphins, with also a one-game winning streak entering in this ball game. And a few moments from now, we'll be starting our ball game as we see here the starting five of the Mariners Blue Dolphins coming up in the center court and also waiting for the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith.
Ayan at makakasama natin for both sides, the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith and of course the Mariners Blue Dolphins, ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain for both sides. Alright, so as we can see, the Mariners Blue Dolphins are now ready to dominate the hard court. Nandiyan na sila, they're in for the first game of the third week of the second round eliminations. All right, so let's hear an update from.
And right now, we have the starting five also for the Daraga National High School. We have the same faces here. And Bayani will be starting, the Guzman, and the Garnase, who is actually one of the key persons to look out for the Daraga National High School.
We also have here Lustria, the big man of the defenders.
And let's also not forget Paul Beltran of the Mariners Blue Dolphins, who was the best player of the game last game against the Pasakawa Academy White Tigers. And tip off, and that first basket doesn't go in for the Defenders of Faith.
Now, Sambahon for the Blue Dolphins here. Now, Blue Dolphins again. No good for that attempt. And a steal here on the side of defenders by Yani. Now, Garnase on the side of the defenders to Robert Bayani again, pushing up with that whistle. Natawagan dito ng blocking foul. Si jersey number 23 Sambahon on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Same ball possession for the defenders of Faith.
And here comes a three-pointer by Garnase, but it doesn't go in. Or rather, number 31 of the Daraga National High School, de Guzman. And completing also from our sideline, we have the courtside reporter for both of the teams, Daraga National High School and Mariners Blue Dolphins. Let's check in our courtside reporter, Rain Reyes. Rain, what is your update for both teams?
Good morning, Bicolanda, and to all our live Facebook viewers here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon on One Media, TV48 Naga. I am Rain Reyes and I will be bringing you updates on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins and the Daraga Defenders of Faith. As I was able to interview both of the teams, both of the team have been preparing, of course, for this matchup. Coach Tan of the Blue Dolphins always reminds the players to focus on the game and work as a team, while Coach Lito of the Defenders of Faith continuously tells the team to remain strong and despite play a tight defense to live up to their title and be indeed the defenders of fate. Folks, this is the second time this elimination round na magpaharap ang dalawang teams na ito. Sa pagkakatanda nga natin ay nanalo ang defenders of fate. Kaya naman abangan natin kung this matchup mananalo kaya ulit ang defenders of fate o magwawagi naman ang Blue Dolphins. Yan muna nga please on this side. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that update on the bench of both. Of these two players.
Now Sambaho on the side of the Blue Dolphins. And a steal here by Bayani. Libreng-libre nagmamadali with that layup. Using his right hand and that left side layup. And that on the side of the defenders of fate. Now with that 3 points attempt. No good this time. Pero another chance for the Blue Dolphins. Jersey number 24. That's good this time.
Beltran.
Nothing but the basket, LA. Another chance for the Blue Dolphins. But a steal here by Lustria.
Good interception there by Beltran, but there was Lustria to actually intercept also that pass. And here comes a back-to-back 3-point attempts for the Blue Dolphins. But still, it's their ball possession. They are hungry for wins this season. But this time, they are facing the number 1 seed, so pressure are on their backs. As the Daraga National High School looking to always stay or to cement the reign in the top spot of Division 2.
Alright, so we'll see LA kung paano i-handle nitong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins yung pressure na nakalagay sa kanila since yun na nga LA. Kaharap nila ngayon yung number 1 seeding natin on the second round of our eliminations. Let's see kung babaliwalain ba nila yung pressure na yun and stick to their game plan. And their very goal here is to execute well their game plan. So abangan natin yan dahil mahaba-haba pa ang ating first quarter as we approach the 7th minute mark of our first quarter. Now Revilla, but still here by Bayani. Nagmamadali again Bayani with no hesitation. And that's good using his 2 hands.
Two players post up for Bayani, but still Bayani manages to get that one to go as that one puts the Mariners Blue Dolphins up by 1 point. And there goes that turnover.
Another chance for the defenders to other score here now.
Also an early trapping for the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
No good on that layup by jersey number 5.
There goes that deflection.
Now, a steal by De Guzman. Dalawa lang yung nasa baba. And natawagan pa nga dito ng shooting foul. Si jersey number 0, Joven John Revilla on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Christian De Guzman on the side of the defenders of fate. Ayan, shoutout muna natin dito, LA, yung ating napakagandang commentator. We have Christine Reyes.
And there goes that both free throws coming in for the Daraga National High School as they overtake the Mariners Blue Dolphins. We are 6-5 in the 6-minute mark of our first quarter. And ball was stripped away from the hands of the Blue Dolphins, and Bayani recovers that one. As he spins, and once again doing that so as he gets that assist to go, and De Guzman catching it and finishes that play.
Grabe, napakaagang chemistry ang pinapakita dito ni Bayani and De Guzman on the side of the defenders. No good on that attempt. Now, Bayani again, dalawang bantay. In and out ball, grabe.
Badong a while ago looking to intercept that pass to Bayani, but Bayani with that one, he comes up short by actually shooting it with two hands, but ball spins and goes in and out as the Mariners Blue Dolphins recovers that one. But there is a foul on number 13 of the Mariners Blue Dolphins, Espejo.
Now the ball will go on the side of the defenders of Faith with 5 minutes and 36 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter, with 3 points lead of the Daraga National High School defenders of Faith as De Guzman once again standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws.
Once again, De Guzman will be shooting for his second free throw or a bonus shot for the defenders of Faith. And there goes that second free throw, and he extends the lead of the defenders of Faith to 5. As De Guzman trying to force him to get a turnover. And here comes Bayani. There goes a traveling violation as ball got stuck on his back while he is holding that one. And there goes a traveling also. And traveling is more fun with Naga, travel and tours.
Alright, now the ball will stay on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins as we approach the midway of our first quarter. Now, De Leon, jersey number 21, to Badong with that foul by Lostria on the side of the defenders. Let's look at it once again. De Leon finds Badong free, pero nasabayan siya doon ni Lostria, and Badong will get that 2 free throws on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, and that's good for his first attempt. Ayan, LA, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating major sponsors. We have Biggs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta.
And De Guzman throwing that baseball pass to Bayani, but Bayani only got fingertips on that ball, but it goes out of bounds. And here comes Garnase all the way. Still comes up short. And we now have a Mariners Blue Dolphins show here. And there was an out of bounds as it hit the under the backboard. So 14 seconds will be reset to the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Back-to-back chances dito ang ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Now let's see as the Daraga National High School lead by 3 points. Ayan, natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 21 on the side of the Blue Dolphins. We have De Leon. Magkakaroon dito ng 2 free throws si Garnase on the side of the Daraga National High School defenders of Faith, with 4 minutes and 31 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Ayan, LA, on penalty situation na pala itong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins, kaya naman yung kanilang fouls ay nako-convert sa chances of points itong ating defenders of Faith. Ayan, i-shoutout muna natin dito si Sofia Recto. That special shoutout was brought to you by BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1.
And Robert Bayani comes up with that layup. And once again, the Daraga National High School is on a roll against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And Bayani almost got a hold of that ball. And Badong, look at that fadeaway shot by the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And also same thing with the Daraga National High School as Bayani scores for his team. We're now 15-9 in the first quarter. And things are going easy for the Daraga National High School as they're coming up with some pass deflections. And here comes one again. Carnase under, and De Guzman almost getting that shot to go.
Grabe, napakaganda sana ng layup yun by De Guzman using his left hand on the right side of the front court. Grabe. Pero he comes up short on that. Ayan, turnover on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now, Beltran, Paul Beltran, one of the key players of the Blue Dolphins. Badong, no good on that 3 points attempt. No good on that by Bayani. A lot of missed opportunities on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Now Sambahon, easy basket, lumilipad.
Beautiful teardrop shot of the Mariners Blue Dolphins as Sambahon getting that nice communication from his teammate, also getting that assist to go. And here comes a basket once again for the Defenders of Fate as Fajardo throws that one.
Now Sambahon, double teamed here. Ayun, natawagan dito ng foul.
And that forces a timeout for the Mariners Blue Dolphins as they trail 6 in this ball game. We are 11-17 with Daraga National High School leading, while the Mariners Blue Dolphins is trailing. And we'll be right back after the short break dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating first quarter with 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. Now, ball possession of the Blue Dolphins. A steal here, pero no hesitation on that shot. Now, Bayani on the side of the defenders with triple. Tatlo yung bantay dito ni Bayani. Now, Garnase with 14 seconds to shoot on the side of the defenders. Now 10 seconds. De Guzman. Good ball rotation. Bayani stops. Thanks. No good on that attempt. And a steal here on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Napakatangkad De Guzman. Grabe, hindi na pinatawid ni De Guzman yung bola.
Intercepting that pass and forcing, and it goes out of bounds. But here comes the Mariners Blue Dolphins on the attack as Dumalasa is right now checking in for the Mariners Blue Dolphins. This guy have been hot hands for their last game or their last encounter against Pasacam Academy White Tigers. Usually have been firing triples, and here comes Garnase stripping that ball away to Beltran, or stripping that ball away from Beltran, and Garnase scores once again for the Defenders of Fate.
Now Blue Dolphins
Almost getting that ball out of bounds, and Badong saving it, and there goes that interception by Bayani.
Grabe, napakaraming steals ang ginagawa dito ng Defenders of Faith. And Sambahon checked in as we are on the 1 minute and 24 seconds mark ng ating first quarter. Bayani getting that 2 free throws on the side of the Defenders of Faith. Now Bayani again.
We also would like to congratulate the Naga College Foundation for the opening program of the TEDx NCF or the TED NCF I think it was yesterday in Robinson's Naga. And here comes a substitution. Here comes Jeric Adan to exchange number 3 Badong, and also a substitution for the Daraga National High School.
Now Sambahon. Ayan, at lamang dito ng 9 na puntos ang ating Defenders of Faith now. A steal again. Pero hindi pumayag yung ating Blue Dolphins. No good on that attempt. No good pa rin. Now their 4th chance, and that's good this time by
Sambahon missing that first, but he comes up big on that second attempt, as also Adan missing that one. And we see De Guzman limping a bit. And appears to hold what could have been his hamstring on the left leg. Tries to do some light stretches here as he goes into the free throw line for a penalty shots.
With 50 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter, hindi pa natin masyadong nakikita LA yung play nitong dalawang teams, no. Medyo malamig pa yung mga kamay nila now, Blue Dolphins.
But especially the Mariners Blue Dolphins, known to have been shooting open from open ranges, especially the 3-point line. And also yung Daraga National High School natin, known to be and mostly they have been shooting from the paint. And once again there is a foul on 11 Lustria with 28 seconds to play.
Lamang pa rin po ang ating DNH's Defenders of Faith with 7 points lead. Now Belir on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Sambahon on the corner and out of bounds as the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith will get that ball possession with 14 seconds to shoot. Now Garnase, 10 seconds. Now Bayani, 5 seconds.
Short corner. And comes up short on that shot.
And that's the end of our first quarter with the Daraga National High School leading by 7 points. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Nagbabalik po kami dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the second quarter bakbakan ng Mariners Blue Dolphins and the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate with that 7 points lead of the defenders on that first quarter. Now, Belir, no good on that attempt. Kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and LA Lapid. Now,
look at that push by Fajardo. By Garnase almost losing that one and back pass. Though he doesn't have a sight on Fajardo, but Fajardo gets that one to go for the Daraga National High School to open things up here in the second quarter.
Now, Belir. Ay, natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 21 on the side of the Daraga National High School, Fajardo. The ball will remain on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Nahihirapan ditong pumuntos LA, no? Yung ating Blue Dolphins. Now, La Forteza. Sambahon.
Then Beltran fires up a quick trigger 3 but comes up short and there goes an off-balance shot and I think number 25 of the Mariners Blue Dolphin, La Forteza, rolling and does a grasping on his knee as he fires that off-balance shot and he comes down on the floor and comes rolling. I think he has to be assessed by the medical staff and to be assisted into his bench as he needs to be substituted.
Alright, so we'll check on La Forteza
later on in this ball game. And let's hope that injury is not that serious for La Forteza as he appears to be actually hurt on that play. I thought that he actually has an off-balance shot. He literally had that one because that happened after Beltran firing a 3-pointer, but it doesn't go in, and there goes that shot clock expiration.
Now, let's call on our courtside reporter for both sides. We have Rain Reyes. Ayan, Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Jasper and LA. Ending the first quarter with the defenders of Faith in the lead. A close fight until the half minute of the game. Makikita nga talaga natin na both teams have been aiming to improve their defense. Pero sa pagkakataong ito, the defenders were able to secure the first quarter. The Dolphins aims to improve in their execution of plays and to avoid fouls as they were able to reach the penalty in the first 6 minutes of the quarter, while the defenders was reminded to not rush and stay patient with their attacks. That's the update on the side of the Dolphins and the defenders. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update for both of our teams. Well, the Daraga National High School have to stay on their attacks, while here comes a 3-pointer for the Daraga National High School as Pedrezuela firing that one, and also for the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Well, they are trying to maintain some kind of a scoring run here. What they have continued in the first quarter should be continued also in the second quarter, as they are still trailing here against the Daraga National High School. And the Daraga National High School still showing how dominant they are, especially what number 1 means to them in Division 2.
Now, Blue Dolphins, Belir on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Ayan, at natawagan dito ng handcheck si jersey number 3 on the side of the defenders of Faith. We have Pedrezuela. Shoutout muna natin dito, LA, yung ating very dedicated and very passionate courtside reporter. We have here Chen Nicolas. See you later. We also have here Sir Bong Castro Verde, the assistant coach of the STI Olympians. Ayan, shoutout, sir. Now another 3, and now that's good on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Grabe yun, nothing but the basket for De Leon on the side of the Blue Dolphins.
And there goes that press by the Mariners Blue Dolphins, and Belero almost losing that one, and Pedrezuela is on him right now, and Lustria, as Beltran doesn't go on that one-on-one with Lustria, and Leon once again firing up a 3. And that forces the Daraga National High School to call a timeout, as the lead of the Daraga National High School is now cut to 10. And we'll be right back after the short break here in Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second quarter with 10 points lead of the Daraga National High School. Defenders of Faith, dagdagan pa natin yan ng dalawa courtesy of the Guzman on the side of the Daraga National High School. Defenders of Faith, pasalamatan na muna natin really yung ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions Incorporated. Ha! Grabe! 3 points by Paul Beltran on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Hatid naman sa atin yon ng Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated. Nakakagulat LA yung trust na yon ni Paul Beltran on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins.
And here comes some discussions here for our officials, as there was some kind of a tumba yung mic natin dahil sa ano eh. Dahil sa electric fan. So there's some kind of a technical difficulty on our part of me also. And here comes that ball possession for the Mariners Blue Dolphins as the shot clock is reset to 14 points. And there comes that basket for Dieter Garnase.
Ayan at natawagan dito na backcourt violation on the side of the Daraga National High School, of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins rather. And the ball will go on the side of the Daraga National High School. Defenders of Faith now. Garnase to the Guzman with 8 seconds to shoot. Now Fajardo, no good on that. Pero natawagan dito ng shooting foul si jersey number 0 on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. We have Revilla forcing Lostria to stand on the free throw line for the 2 free throws, and no good on that first attempt. Pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have here the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, and of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge of FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. We also have here Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph. We have here Universidad de Santa Isabel, Department of Agriculture Bicol, and BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1. We also have here Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC, and NCF IMC Digital Graphics. Maraming salamat po. We also have our media partners, One Media TV 48 Naga, headed by our station manager, Sir Jermin Jacob, Technical Director, Engineer RJ Rebedorial, and of course, ang ating napakagandang production administrator, we have Ma'am Irene Tosok. Maraming salamat po. And we also have ang ating napakasipag, very dedicated din na mga cameramans. We have here Sir James Gabarda, Sir Brian Tosok. We have Sir Kim Monteroso. Ayan.
Also Sir Jameson Brenya. One of also the cameraman, and Ma'am Niela Berido. And hands it to Pedezuela for a 3. And it comes up short on that one as the Blue Dolphins tries to save it. But here goes a foul on number 3, Pedrezuela. And Canyon will be checking in for the Daraga National High School.
Now, Blue Dolphins. Ayun at natawagan dito ng foul. Si jersey number 21 Fajardo on the side of the Daraga National High School. Defenders of Faith lamang pa rin po dito ang ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith with 3 minutes and 53 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter after that 3 points.
But Dumalasa, you know, this man has been huge when it comes to triple for the Mariners Blue Dolphins, especially as we look back on their last games, and Pedrezuela getting that one for the Daraga National High School.
Now,
looking to get away from the trapping, and Belair.
De Guzman with that block, napakatangkad.
And there goes that miscue, and a couple of passes for both of these teams as Badong, a short stab but doesn't go in. And Belair open 3. And overshoots that one.
Now Bayani. No good on that attempt by Fajardo, pero may bawi dito. 3 points play opportunity pa nga for Canyon on the side of the Defenders of Faith. Nakikita na natin LA yung talagang laro nitong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith with 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Grabe, patuloy ang pagdagdag ng kanilang puntos dito. A chance to raise their lead to 20 points, and that's it. Lamang na po ng 20 puntos itong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Now Dumalaza, well guarded by Bayani. Now Beltran to Belair, no good on that mid-range jumper. And turnover on the side of the Daraga National High School. Now,
and here comes that full court press right now of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. I think they got it to work, and Bayani stops for a moment, and the basket is counted for him once again. As also, he is down on the floor holding his midsection.
Magallanes will get a 3 points play opportunity. And as we can see, iginilid na dito si Robert Bayani by Christian De Guzman. Ayan, at our medical staff will check on Robert Bayani on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith now. 22 points lead. Dagdagan pa natin yan ng isa. 23 points lead of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, and that forces the Mpcf Blue Dolphins to call a timeout on the 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining ng ating first half. Once again, let us give thanks to our sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Fighting Range, and of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Gravinus Communications Incorporated. We also have here the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Santa Isabel, Department of Agriculture Bicol, and the BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang #1. Special thanks also to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, and of course, Digital Graphics. Maraming salamat din po sa aming major sponsors. We have Biggs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Poker Sweat, and of course 3GX ICT Solutions Incorporated. That's good for that layup.
And also officiating in this match is from the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas Naga City Elite referees. We have Jomar Gorom, Bunanong Chumasera Jr., and Inday Orsena. And De Guzman fires a long triple. Once again, throwing fire for the Daraga National High School. And Dumalasa having trouble with Pedrezuela as Belair step back. A three-pointer to answer that one, but doesn't go in. Dumalasa, great recovery on that one as he hands that a teardrop shot. De Guzman going one-on-one with Dumalasa, and Pedrezuela hands it to De Guzman, but it was stripped away by Belair, and also Belair turning it over. And there goes that timeout called by Daraga National High School. And both of these teams right now giving it all for in the second quarter with 53-31 in the second quarter. And right now the Daraga National High School still playing cool against the Mariners Blue Dolphins, who is trailing, where the Mariners Blue Dolphins is trailing against the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. And we would like to also give a shout out to our photographers also here dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium sa games ng Bucal. We have SY Photography by Yowin Perez, and Photography ni Wewe by Sir Wewe Llorin, and Oregon Sports TV headed by the Technical Director Sir RJ Repedorial for Photo Walk. And also we have KJ Productions by Keith Jimenez, and also Jerwin Dumalas, and also Christian, si Kuya Ian ng Ateneo. And moving back to our ballgame, also Kuya Tadeus Oliver of the Bucal official photographer. And here comes De Guzman, and good position here, a 3-2 defense by the Mariners Blue Dolphins, an early position here. And Fajardo doesn't go in that shot.
No good in that attempt on the side of the Blue Dolphins now.
Doesn't get a good spin on that one, and it goes all the way in the outside, and Fajardo Nice assist there by De Guzman. Passing it into the paint for Fajardo.
Patuloy ng paglobo dito ng kalamangan na ginagawa nitong ating Defenders of Faith. Now, Blue Dolphins, Beltran. To jersey number 77, Dumalasa. Now, fires for the 3-point shot. No good on that attempt.
I thought it goes in, but it was an air ball. And from my angle, almost a 3-pointer there. And look at that long pass, but he runs out of time. And it will not count. 55-31, Daraga National High School against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 55-31. We'll be right back for the second half of this ball game. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Empower the next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, Unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Good afternoon once again, or good morning once again. We are still live here in Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Well, I think the atmosphere right now is kind of an afternoon since we are feeling a lot like of a sunlight, unlike yung kahapon. And the game was stopped for a moment para paano yun yung para tahuban din yung mga gates natin na kung saan nakapenetrate din yung sunlight, especially those. It also affects the performance of the players, especially when it comes to shooting three-pointers. Especially the spot where the sunlight also goes are dun din sa three-point line ng ating mga players. And here comes Dumalasa to fire a triple. Comes up short. There goes that save by Dieter Garnase. And
mali doon ang pasa si Garnase. Akala niya ata may nakaabang doon, pero turnover on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. And as we can see, LA, no, doon sa labas, kaya mo nasabing afternoon kasi makulimlim sa labas. But these two teams can't relate sa panahon natin ngayon, no? Napaka-kulimlim sa labas, pero patuloy ang pag-init nitong dalawang koponan na ito as they battle for the first game of our third week of the second round eliminations. Ayan. A steal here by Canyon on the side of the defenders. Now Garnase guarded by Sambahon. Pero
almost a three-point play opportunity for Garnase as Dumalasa, I think, was called for that foul in the team of the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Garnase. No good on that attempt by Garnase. Pero another chance. No good. Sambahon.
Nice chase there by Sambahon as the ball was going out of bounds and Garnase trying to save it. And Sambahon sets up a play but it throws the ball into the outside. So a failed miscue or a miscue here for the Mariners Blue Dolphins. So to talk things over from the sideline, we still have Rain Reyes covering for both of our teams this morning. Wherein she has the Mariners Blue Dolphins and the Daraga National High School, and Garnase looking for Lustria, but that was a traveling violation committed by Lustria, and traveling is more fun with Naga Travel and Tours. Naga, you live your dreams, create memories.
Now, ball possession of the Blue Dolphins. De Leon to Sambahon. De Leon again. And no good on that 3 points attempt. And now let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Rain. Rain, take it away.
Thank you, Jasper and LA. During huddle in the half minute of the second quarter, the defenders of Faith called for a timeout because of the consecutive baskets of the Dolphins. Here, they were told to display a tighter defense and to avoid dribbling. With a tighter defense and these reminders, the defenders of Faith managed to have a two-digit score lead against the Dolphins and won the first half of the game. As for the Dolphins, Coach Stan told the team to adjust their defense, to box out and know your positions once you are in the hard court. Yan ang update on the side of the defenders of Faith and the Blue Dolphins. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ray, for opening things up here in the third quarter with your report. And as of right now, the Mariners Blue Dolphins, they are still trailing 32-57. And it will be a trouble for the Mariners Blue Dolphins if they fall short in this game against the Daraga National High School, as they have lower and lower chances of getting into the playoff round if the Daraga National High School wins this one to complete that winning streak they started against the STI Olympians. And also the Mariners Blue Dolphins a while ago in the second quarter have been shooting fire from the 3-point line, and that also forces the Daraga National High School to call a timeout in the second quarter. And things are going smoothly here for the Daraga National High School, as the Mariners Blue Dolphins still having trouble going inside of the paint as they are still trying to take their chances on the outside.
Now, defenders, jersey number 13, Poot, to the Guzman. Now to Bayani as he recovered dito sa ating third quarter. Ayan, at natawagan dito ng traveling violation si Robert Bayani on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Syempre LA, traveling is more fun with Naga yon. Travel and tours. Now De Leon to Sambahon with 15 seconds to shoot. Now on the corner, that's good, nothing but the net on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. De Leon.
Papasimula na naman dito si De Leon na has been known to fire triples from the second quarter. And there's an answer of Canyon. And to De Leon into the corner, a short corner, rather a pass, but comes up short on that shot.
Now Lostria with no hesitation but a block here by De Leon. Lostria again, in and out ball. No good on that fourth chance. This time, that's good for the fourth chance of the Daraga National High School with that two hands layup by Canyon. Now, natawagan dito ng foul on the side of Daraga National High School. Defenders of Faith magkakaroon dito ng 3 free throws. Si Dumalasa on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Napakagandang opportunity para mabawasan yung kalamangan dito ng ating Defenders of Faith. And as we can see, malaki ang kalamangan nitong ating Defenders of Faith.
Biggest margin right now for the Daraga National High School. And Dumalasa trying to shorten that one. As he gets that second free throw to go, as he have still one to go after the 3 free throws. Or the 3 free throws given to him after that foul. And 2 out of 3 free throws comes in for Dumalasa.
Now De Guzman. Guarded by Samban. Fires for that long 3. No good. And same ball possession on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 21 De Leon on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now, jersey number 13 Poot to Fajardo. No good. Another chance for the defenders. Lost 3 pero still here. Grabe, nagmamadali with that layup. Sayang yung opportunity na yun, LA.
And it doesn't even go above the rim as Beltran almost. And here comes a fast break and Beltran correcting that one. And a recovery for him as the first fast break doesn't go for him. And that goes for Beltran.
Now, De Guzman to Canyon. Same ball possession. Natawagan dito ng pushing foul si Beltran on the side of the Blue Dolphins as we are on the midway of our third quarter. And as we can see ngayon, LA, medyo marami-rami yung supporters nitong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. And of course, yung ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith supporters, for sure LA, nakatutok sila sa ating Facebook Live via Bucal Facebook page. All the way from Daraga Albay. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Now, Sambahon. With that 3 points attempt, no good. Pero another chance. Ayan, at out of bounds na yun. Turnover on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith.
And Paul Beltran given a warning for a sportsmanlike behavior. So if he receives another one, it will be a technical foul slapped into him by the officials. And
ayun, natawagan dito ng double foul ang parehas na jersey number 21 ng dalawang koponan.
we have De Leon and also Drex Fajardo. 21 of both teams.
Now, De Guzman, no good on that 3 points attempt. With 4 seconds to shoot on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Now, De Guzman again. Wow, 3 points for De Guzman on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Grabe yun, LA, no? 4 na segundo. De Guzman pa rin ang nagtawid. Grabe. 3 points. Let's see once again.
It was after the inbound when De Guzman fires a triple from the corner.
Nothing
Actually,
but the net. Napakalinis ng basket
palubo
doon ni De
yung
Guzman.
yung shot niya. So it has high chances of going in. And here comes that ball recovery of the Blue Dolphins as Dumalasa hands it into the corner. A short corner here, but doesn't go in.
Now Garnase on the side of the defenders. Now to Guzman again.
And
With
here comes
that alley-oop,
play.
no good. Canyon puts it up for 2 points. Grabe, patuloy ang paglobo ng puntos dito ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, and that forces a timeout on the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. 28 points na po ang kalamangan dito ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith with 3 minutes and 18 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Ayan, shoutout muna tayo dito kay Maui, ang ating very dedicated din, very cutesy na courtside reporter. Ayan. We also like to thank our sponsors. We have our major sponsors: Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, and Pocari Sweat. We also have 3GX, ICT Solutions, Incorporated. As our players go back to our hard court para ipagpatuloy ang ating third quarter with 3 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. Now Sambahon on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now to Dumalasa. And napalakas dito yung pasa ni Dumalasa out of bounds as the defenders of Fate will take the ball possession.
And here comes the Daraga National High School on the offense and throws it to Belir.
Now, ball possession pa rin ng ating Daraga National High School. Defenders of Fate, De Guzman pushes to the inside with that pass to Pedrezuela. Canyon, no good. And a steal here.
And Pedrezuela doing both, or doing the same thing as they are being pressured from the end line of their basket. And there goes that foul on Canyon.
Espejo will get that 2 free throws on the side of the Blue Dolphins. 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Espejo. And that's good for that first attempt by Espejo. 41-68, 27 points lead of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate now. Espejo once again puts up that free throw. Lower down to 26 points. Now, Garnase to De Guzman. With that screen by Fajardo. Now De Guzman. Libreng-libre Garnase. May kasabay pangang 3 foul. May kasabay pa siyang foul doon. Therefore, Garnase will get that 3 points play opportunity. Let's look at it once again. Garnase libreng-libre. Ayun at nasabayan siya doon.
Both of them
Espejo
falling into the floor. Rather, it is Belir of the Mariners Blue Dolphins, jersey number 2.
Now Garnase for his 3 points play opportunity. No good on that 3 points play by Garnase, pero natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 20 on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate Canyon. Turnover on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Makakakuha pa nga dito ng free throw si Espejo. No good on that first attempt. Ayan, both of these teams are in penalty situation na dito sa ating last 2 minutes ng ating third quarter. Patuloy ang pagkulimlim ng ating panahon na LA dito sa labas ng Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium, but both of these teams can't relate kung gaano kakulimlim ang panahon natin. Patuloy ang paglagablab, and as we can see, Canyon
and also the Mariners Blue Dolphins kanina icing up the Daraga National High School as Dumalasa is rolls his ankle and will be substituted. So Mariners Blue Dolphins already have apparently two injured players for this team. And but still the Mariners Blue Dolphins have to have something to show for the Daraga National High School as they are trailing, and here comes Sambahon and no call on that one.
Now Miranda on the side of the defenders. Garnase to De Guzman with 9 seconds to shoot. Now a steal on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Nagmamadali dito. No good on that attempt. Garnase again for the defenders with 52 seconds left sa ating third quarter. De Guzman with that off-balance shot. No good on that attempt. Let's see. Ayun at same ball possession tayo dito. On the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, held ball situation doon. Pero same ball possession on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now Sambahon.
We are actually seconds away from ending the third quarter. And the Daraga National High School still dominant here. And here comes Garnase for that underhand layup.
Now Sambahon. Nahihirapang pumasok dito. Mid-range jumper. No good on that side of the Blue Dolphins. Now with 5 seconds. And a traveling violation ang naitawag dito kay Garnase with 4 seconds sa ating third quarter. Grabe, very crucial error on the side of the Daraga National High School defenders of fate. Now 4 seconds to shoot for the Blue Dolphins. And a steal by Pedrezuela. Garnase. Ayan at counted.
It will be reviewed by the officials if that will count, but apparently it will count because he quite released that ball before the time expired, and we'll review that one.
Salamat po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the fourth last quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Ayan at nagbabalik na nga kami dito sa Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium para sa ating fourth and last quarter. And as that last sequence by Garnase, hindi po yun counted. Alright, so that layup by Garnase is not counted as our officials take on that review, and that is not counted. Now, ball possession of the defenders of Fate Garnase to Bayani. Pushes to the inside. With Fajardo, libreng-libre sa ibaba. 2 points on the side of the Daraga National High School defenders of Fate now. Sambahon. Pero a steal by Pedrezuela. Garnasi again. Nadagdagan ulit natin yan ng 2 puntos.
Well, a back-to-back basket for the Daraga National High School to start things up here. And the fourth quarter, things are going good on their way. And Beltran stops for a moment to fire a 3-pointer, but it hits the backboard, above the backboard, and Garnase throws once again a triple, a back-to-back 2-pointer for him.
Grabe, napakagandang simula ng ating fourth and last quarter. Dominant round pa rin on the side. Now Bayani! Kala ko
Bayani was going to slam it, but the thing was that fast break opportunity for him, and he gets that layup to go.
Grabe, akala ko nga rin LA, the dunk niya na yun eh. And that forces a timeout. That forces the Mpcf Blue Dolphins to call a timeout. Ayan, titingnan natin kung ano yung mga adjustments na gagawin dito ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. And to talk things over, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Rain. Rain, take it away.
Jasper and LA with the third quarter ending in the Defenders of Fate still in the lead. The Dolphins aims to have a better performance both in their defense and offense. Bumawi tayo as Coach Tan said to the Dolphins. As for the leading team, the defenders still are eager to maintain what they've started and win until the last minute of the game. This is the fourth and final quarter. Abangan natin kung ano ang gagawin ng Defenders of Fate and the Blue Dolphins. Yan ang mga update. Back to the pan.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update on the side of both of these teams. We have the Blue Dolphins and the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Alright, so abangan nga natin LA kung ano-ano pa yung ipapakita ng dalawang teams na ito. With on that last sequence, out of bounds.
And also watching live, we have Pacifico de Tisio of the Annunciation Panthers from the Seniors Division, and also Mon Aureliano of Ateneo, who will be playing tomorrow against the UNC Greyhounds for the second round of action in the Naga El Clasico. And Fardo being trapped here by the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And Fajardo is the choice for that shot, but comes up short on that elbow jumper.
Now, out of bounds, a very crucial error on the side of the Blue Dolphins.
Actually, we are feeling right now a rain in the outside of the gymnasium, but still the action continues here as Bayani gets that slice to go for the Defenders of Fate.
Maulan na umaga sa ating mga supporters dito sa Ateneo de Sta University now. No good on that 3 points attempt. Beltran, no good pa rin. A steal here, defensive rebound. Pero another steal by the Blue Dolphins. Now, let's see. Badong is complaining with that elbow motion daw. Pero walang tawag ang ating officials. Now, let's see. Miranda with that mid-range jumper. Napakatangkad.
He goes for that mid-range jumper. He took advantage of somewhat an open area there in the paint. And Sambaon still being trapped here by the Daraga National High School. De Leon looking to go one-on-one with Fardo, but there was a foul. A pushing foul on Drex Fardo. And De Leon going in for the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Now, no good on that 3 points attempt by jersey number 21. Sambahon, no good pa rin.
That teardrop shot. And they're having a bit of a trouble here in getting that basket to go as Garnase smiling while getting that teardrop shot to go for the defenders of Fate, and Bayani almost getting that interception onto the hands of Sambaon, and number 5 Miranda and he comes up short on that teardrop, and Garnase stops and pops for a 3. Doesn't go in this time, and Badong going solo as he gets that basket for the Blue Dolphins, and Pedrezuela. Beltran looking to force Pedrezuela from going backcourt.
Now Bayani. Now in the corner, Miranda. To Bayani again with that shot by Fajardo. No good.
A nice sight there by Bayani. Almost getting that one to go and almost getting that block. But there was a offensive foul on Paul Beltran.
Ayan, shoutout din tayo dito sa security guards ng Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for keeping the security dito sa ating venue. Ayan.
And there goes that shot by Sambahon. And Naga National High School have a bit of more time to wrap things up here in the fourth quarter as Bayani blocked there, taking that pump from Badong. And also a substitution for the Naga National High School. And up next is the Amando Cope College Green Serpents, the defending champions, versus the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon in the juniors division. And also the third game will be the STI Olympics and the Genesis Roaring Lions at 1 p.m. The ACLC versus Ateneo at 3 p.m. and also the UNC versus the NCF at 5 p.m. And Sambaon going back-to-back on that shots for the Mariners Blue Dolphins, and Garnase almost getting that pass to Bayani, a sneak pass to Bayani, but there comes the sneaky one, Sambaon, intercepting that one, but here comes Miranda. No good on his shot. Will this be third time's the charm for Miranda?
Grabe, hindi pumayag si Miranda na hindi maipasok yung bola na yon, and Miranda gets 2 points. No good pa rin on the side of the Blue Dolphins. 49-90 now. The same ball possession on the side of the Naga National High School. Defenders of Fate as spot substituted Garnase. Now, po to inbound. To Bayani. Now to Bagallones. To Pedrezuela. Tries for the 3, but he pushed that 2 points using his right hand. And 2 points ang may dadagdag dito on the side of the Naga National High School Defenders of Fate. Now, Bayani again. To Magallones, fires for the 3, and that's good for Magallones. Grabe, nag-isip pa siya dun, LA, kung ipapasok niya yun o hindi. Pero he thinks of getting that 3 points, and that's good for him.
Well, that's a good sign for the Naga National High School of getting that one.
Ayun, at natawagan dito ng technical foul si jersey number 13 for that elbow motion.
It's for an excessive swinging of elbow. And there'll be a technical free throw for Bayani. And also that foul will serve as his 5th personal foul, so is gonna set out for the Mariners Blue Dolphins in this ball game as he gets that 5th personal foul. And a substitution here for the Daraga National High School as Lustria will now check in for the Defenders of Fate. And the Daraga National High School going on for final touches here as they still lead against the Daraga National High School, or as the Daraga National High School still leading against the Mariners Blue Dolphins 96-49. 12 seconds left on the shot clock and 2 minutes and 51 seconds left in the 4th quarter. Look at that pass. Dumalasa passing it into the corner, and he comes above Pedrezuela, but rather
Parang nagluksong baka na siya dun, partner, no?
it was I think he was trying for that layup attempt.
Jersey number 21. De Leon is excluded on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins as he committed 5 personal fouls. Now,
We are now awaiting for the last 2 minutes as these players are trying to slow down a bit in this quarter. And Miranda doesn't get a good spin on that. It's only the glass but not the basket. And here comes Paul Beltran. Sinabayan siya doon ni Pedrezuela, and Beltran gets that steal and fires a triple. Rebound there by Miranda and hands it to Pedrezuela.
now
As he goes one-on-one with Beltran.
Lustria nagmamadali pero still here by Belir. Now to Beltran with that 2 points. Finally, LA.
He faked Pedrezuela on his way into the basket. And right now,
Magallones.
the Daraga National High School looking to win this one as they go in their 2nd game winning streak against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And there goes that block. And Pedrezuela intercepts that one.
Grabe, patuloy yung pag-arangkada dito ng ating defenders. Pero no good on that attempt by Pedrezuela. Dagdagan naman natin ng 2 points ang puntos dito ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins after that shot by Beltran. Now, Miranda to Pedrezuela, slowing things down as we are on the last minute of our 4th and last quarter. Miranda pushes, but no good on
Almost
that.
an over and under layup for Miranda. That's good for the Daraga National High School as Puot gets that layup to go.
Now, Belir with 30 seconds sa ating game clock. Belir fires for the 3, no good. And the shot clock is off. Now, with 12 seconds sa ating game clock, Beltran with that spin and puts up that 2 points. Pedrezuela to Magallones. Fires for the 3. And that's good pa rin for Magallones on that last sequence. At dyan na nga nagtatapos ang ating ball game with 98-101 rather to 55 ang ating score dito sa bakbakan ng Daraga National High School, and the defenders and the Mpcf Blue Dolphins ay nakuha dito ng ating Daraga National High School ang kanilang ikalawang panalo dito sa ating second round of eliminations. Grabe, LA, first game pa lang ng ating third week of second round eliminations ay nakita na natin yung magandang laban. And dyan lamang po kayo at maya-maya lamang ay makikilala na natin ang best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Empower the next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCF engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Lanja, and congratulations to the winners of this match, the Daraga National High Score, the defenders of Faith. Now the best player of the game is brought to you by Tigers Café, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. Jersey number 27 with 17 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists, and 6 steals, Mr. Garnase. So good morning and congratulations. So kwentuhan mo naman kami, paano ba ang naging momentum ng team mo para manalo ngayong araw?
Unang-una po sa lahat, tiwala lang po sa sarili, tapos nakikinig lang po kami kila Coach Channel po, Coach Ken, Coach Abase po, sa mga tinuturo po nila kung paano po mabante po ang aming team sa aming bracket po.
So ano naman ang naging motivation mo o ng team mo para sa laro nyo ngayong araw?
Ang motivation ko po is ang pamilya ko po, unang-una po sa Panginoon, pangalawa po sa kanila po, kila coach, sa team ko, sa mga mahal ko sa buhay po. Yan na po.
So now I am giving you the floor na mag-shoutout o magpasalamat sa mga taong sumuporta sa iyo at sa team mo.
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Panginoon. Pangalawa po, maraming salamat po sa palaging pagsuporta po sa paglalaro ko ng basketball. Unang-una po, shoutout po sa girlfriend ko. At shoutout din po kila Coach Arbase, Coach Arnel, Coach Ken sa pagpupursige po sa amin pag-training, pag-motivate po sa amin, paglalaro ng basketball. Hindi po kami nila sinusukan. Yun na po.
So thank you and congratulations. Once again, jersey number 27 with 17 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists, and 6 steals. This has been Rain Reyes, the courtside reporter for this game. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nakilala na nga natin ang ating best player of the game. Hatid sa atin yan ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. And of course, Tigers Café, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. Ang ating best player ay walang iba kundi si jersey number 27, Dieter Garnase of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith with 17 points. 3 rebounds, 5 assists, and 6 steals. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok dito sa ating Facebook Live via Bucal Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Once again, this is Jasper Abante.
And I am LA Lapid. Tutok lang. At susunod na yung ACC Green Serpents and the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon Unit Incorporated for the second match of the Juniors Division. Dito lang yan sa Bucal Season 6. We're futurized at sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.